This is why you need these kitchen hacks. They are designed to make your life easier and your time in the kitchen more enjoyable. Imagine saving hours each week and making cooking a breeze. No more stress, just efficient and joyful cooking. Let's dive in. First up, wrap your banana stems with plastic wrap or aluminum foil to extend their shelf life. This simple trick can keep your bananas fresh for days longer. Second, slice grape tomatoes quickly by placing them between two lids and cutting through. This method is not only fast, but also ensures even slices every time. Place another lid on top of the tomatoes to ensure the tomatoes stay in place while you run a knife between the lids, cutting all tomatoes evenly. Saves time and stops food wastage. Plus, it makes your salads and dishes look more professional. Third hack, the magical microwave. It's not just for reheating leftovers. Pop chopped veggies in a microwave-safe bowl, add a bit of water, cover, and nuke for 3 minutes. This method is quick and retains more nutrients than boiling. Perfectly steamed veg, no boiling required. It's a game changer for quick, healthy meals. And for the grand finale, a magnetic strip for your utensils. This hack is both practical and stylish. Stick it on the wall or inside a cabinet. It keeps your tools within reach and your countertops clutter-free. Keeps everything handy and looks dead good. It's a small change that makes a big difference. So there you have it, 4 simple hacks to transform your kitchen experience. Give them a whirl and let us know what you think. Cheers, and see you next time. Happy cooking.